Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add the Roku channel to your Amazon Fire TV in just a few quick steps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Go to the Fire TV home screen. Turn on your Fire TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the search menu. From the home screen, select the Find or Search option using your remote. Step 3. Type Roku channel in the search bar and select it from the list of results. Step 4. Download the app. Choose the Roku channel app, then click Get or Download to install it on your Fire TV. Step 5. Launch and sign in. Once installed, open the Roku channel app. You can sign in with your Roku account or start watching free content right away. That's it. You've successfully added the Roku channel to your Fire TV. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials.